Hello, welcome back to the channel. Just a quick update. Anyway, got my baseball cap, new uniform. Yeah, cool. Anyway, yeah, just a little quick hi. I'm on my way at the moment to hospital. Basically, what it is, I'm going to hospital for a pre-op. I've got an operation on Friday about my wrist. I lost it a few years ago mountain biking, and the surgeon, Mr. Agiotis, did an absolutely amazing job in giving me a bit of a wrist damage. So I've not got 100%, but hey, listen, it's really, really good. I can work with it. So now it's reached the point where the plate's just hanging over the bone a little bit, and it's just rubbing the tendons. So, in his medical opinion, it's a good thing to get the plate out. So that's what I'm heading up to the hospital for now. Basically to go through the last things of what I need to do in preparation, and for him to go through everything that he's going to be doing to me on the operating theatre, in the operating theatre, should I say. I ain't gonna lie, a bit nervous. No one likes an operation. I don't know if I'm going to be knocked out or whether I'm going to be awake. Hopefully knocked out. I don't really like the thought of being awake when what's happening. Makes me a bit freaky. I'm a bit squeamish when it comes to stuff like that. Yeah, I'm a bit of a girl. So, yeah. So, this will be my pre-op, and then we'll take the journey from there and see what happens. As I say, my hand's working. When I first had it, my hand couldn't even move. He's done a paper on it as well. The unreconstructible distal radial fracture. I think it's called some of that. He's done a paper on it. I'll show what he did. He stitched my bone together. I mean, wow. Who thought that would have even been possible? Yeah, anyway, enough about that. Catch you in a bit. Right, just walking. There we go. Hospital. Just walking over to the yellow section. Cheers. Hello, if you made it to the bit later on in the video, these are just some clips I made from when I had my mountain bike accident and I lost my wrist. Very traumatic time in my life. So on Friday, today's Monday, on Friday I'm going back in for another operation to remove the plate from the wrist, because my tendons are rubbing on the metal plate, and my surgeon said it's better to have it taken out. So let's go with what he says. He knows what he's doing. So here's a few pictures of me when I first did it, looking like that in the hospital bed, looking quite happy, not really knowing how bad it was until after the event. I had 6 months off work, no insurance, no sick pay, and being self-employed is a very hard time for me and the family, but we got through it. We made it, which is good. Yeah, so I just thought I'd share this moment with you of what I went through, and then what I do share the moment after the operation on Friday. Don't worry, I see the content coming out